Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to just add something more complex. So make the data, right, Things2Learn data, have more things to play with. So for example, I want to learn something, okay, and say that thing will be iOS development, and I want to add more, not just iOS development, but also iOS development includes, say, Swift and Swift UI, okay, and so got like a sub things for me to learn. So in order to do that, we can command N to actually add more model, sort of nested inside. Okay, let me just show you. Right, so for example, will be subject subjects to learn. Okay, and you can just import SwiftData as well. So we're going to add notation model, sorry, and you can say class of a certain subject to learn, right? And you can get inside a var of that things to learn. Okay, so you can get name because it's not the same name as the name here, because the things to learn name, this is just subject to learn's name. Okay, and we can make a string. At initialization, we can say the name is a string and self-name name. Yeah, that will be good. That will be all. Really simple one. And go back here. We can just add one thing, and then you can safely use it. It's really smart. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to just add one line of code, and we'll automatically know the relationship. It's like a database. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to add the subjects one name subjects to learn. Okay, that will be array of subject to learn. Okay, initialize it. Really simple one. Okay, and that's it. That can already enough to initialize it. Really simple, right? And right now there's no way to actually, show things. So what I'm going to do is to maybe here add another section that can actually show things. Okay, so yeah, section. Yeah, I'm drinking cola. Got a lot of ice. So there will be the subjects to learn. Okay, so things to learn, and we get subject to learn as a section, header sort of thing, and we can for loop it. So for each of I'm going to access the things to learn dots, and remember we should have the I believe already initialized subject to learn. Okay, hopefully it can access this. Oh yeah, things to learn is not capitalized, so that's the reason I can't find it. Dot subject to learn. Okay, so I can find it for each of the to learn, and you can loop this, but get that specific subject, not s. Okay, subject in, then right now I think just to show a text will be fine. So the subject dot name. Yeah, we have a name. Subject dot name. Yeah, I haven't initialized it since that can't actually see the results, which is weird. Subject in Things2Learn. Yeah, for each. Yeah, that's weird. Why this is not working? Let's add. Cannot find Things2Learn in scope. Okay, it's not Things2Learn. Maybe it's called things. Okay, things or thing. Can I solve this? Yeah. Sorry. Things. Can I just like replace this with Things2Learn? Okay. Things2Learn. Okay. If you add this, it won't work. So I'm going to refactor this. With Things2Learn. So just to become much more consistent. Yeah, hopefully command B, we can build this without any error. That's good. So it'll be Things2Learn, loop this subject to learn subject. Alright, I'm getting a little bit confused because I don't follow me because I'm like really bad at naming variable. Yeah, so that's the reason. Yeah, I get confused pretty quickly and unmanageable pretty quickly. Yeah, so for each we just show that subject's name, and we can add each stat and have a field to accepting the text. Text field. You can say now you can enter or input the subjects you want to learn. Okay, so get out here, text binding. Right now I don't have a binding, so a new subjects name. Okay, so it's really long, doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to have a button, so there is interaction. So submit, something like that. Okay, and they will trigger an action of add subject. Okay, right now it will definitely give me error. So next step will be write this function, and let's write this function. So do edits. Yeah, I believe I can add it here. So basically it's add Things2Learn view, and yeah, let's just get outside, add a font, saying it will be add subject. Okay, and here, just to be safe, got our let's see, we have to have a new subject cannot find. Okay, so what is the name? Sub-subject to law. Yeah, I haven't. Yeah, sorry about that. I haven't like declared, so I can't use it. Okay, things it should be a state variable, state, and private var of a new, yeah, what's the name again? Sub-subject. Okay, new sub-subject. Let's just leave it empty for now. So this way it should be able to, okay, cannot convert. Okay, doesn't really matter. I'm going to do that. So once you got that here, you can say if it is empty, then it'll be false. Else, so this is really compacted code. So else, then just to return. Okay, and you can add a with animation. And let's our subjects to learn. Okay, will be using sub-subject to learn and passing a specific name. That will be our new name, new sub-subject name, something like that. Doesn't really matter. And I can get the Things2Learn dot subject to learn dot, then I can append that to our subject to learn. Okay, and our new subjects, then because you already add that, so you can just make it empty. Okay, command B, hopefully will build, and it will not be new subject name. Yeah, sorry, this should be a binding. Yeah, so yeah, let's just refactor this. This should be the subject name. Resolve this, of course. Yeah, this should be it. All right, let's see the result, because we already got this section out, so we can easily see the result. Okay, still building. Just wait a bit. Okay, it's right here. Add new things. Yeah, it's finished with that. Yeah, it's pretty weird. Yeah, maybe I haven't added these out. Add this. Yeah, did not leave a socket to add things. Sorry about that. But there's no error, which means that this currently backend is still working. Yeah, sorry about that. It's turned out already add that, but it's just not showing. I don't know why. Input subject you want to learn. Okay, you can submit it. And hopefully there's nothing wrong with the. Okay, it's really like slow. So let me just start one thing from scratch. Okay, so add new things. Okay, importance level, let me make it high. Name will be say maybe iOS dev. Okay, and all that. Let me just add some random things. Select a deadline, finished, not finished, and there will be, since it's like a for each loop, so there will be maybe iOS So it will be Swift. Okay, submit. So it'll be Swift, and we'll go next row. Let's add a so Swift UI, and then you can add. So got not only if you like exit right now, OS dev importance, yeah, all that you can just edit it, and we got Swift UI. Okay, currently we can't swipe left. Okay, we can't delete this. Let's add that later. Right now, it's currently working, and if you click other part, you can still see the it's a more subject to lower. Okay, pretty good, and then it will hold. So if you exit the whole app together, put it inside, and I believe it still hold like here. Okay, so yeah, pretty good, pretty cool. So yeah, so basically we're going to add first is delete functionality. Second, in next video we're going to talk about what if you delete this altogether. What if we just delete this? Is the data here going to delete or not? Yeah, so we have to consider that because it's like interconnected thing. So yeah, see you next video.